subscribe the channel and press bell icon.
Who developed the concept of email? Answer: Ray Tomlinson. The first computer language developed was Fortran. Who developed the concept World Wide Web? Answer: Tim Berners-Lee. IC in computer stand for Integrated Circuits. IC language is a high-level language. Who is called the father of computer? Charles Babbage. What is the common used unit? Message is the speed of data transmission, bits per second. A parallel port is most often used by a printer. Where are program and data to be used by the computer available? Storage. Which of the following is not hardware? Java. IC chip for computer are usually made of silicon. To read a CD-ROM disk, you need a laser beam. Microsoft PowerPoint is a software designed to create multimedia presentations. The device that converts digital signal to analog signal at the start of long distance transmission is modem. Information is combined of graphic, text, sound, video and animation is called multimedia. Optic fiber are used in place of wire cables because they do not generate magnetic fields. The name modem is derived from modulator demulator. How much data does not stand floppy disk hold? 1.44 MB. In a computer, what does RAM stand for? Random access memory. The period of the second generation computer was Sun 1959 to 1964. LAN stands for Local Area Network. Correct experience of the term HTTP in Internet address is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Intern PC means personal computer. 1024 bytes equal to 1 KB. The term PCXT refer to personal computer extended technology. ENIACA was an electronic computer. On byte consists of 8 bits. The first optical electronics digital computer ENIAC. The letter G used in 2G spectrum stand for generation. Most of the computers available today are fourth generation computers. A bug in a program is a error. DOS is a disk operating system. What is the process of defining tables called index definition? Virus is a program that damages computer software. ATM is the abbreviation of automatic teller machine. A bit refers to binary digit. The term API refers to application program interface. A talent is a protocol. A translator for the assembly language to mechanical languages. Assembler. Where's India supercomputer Brahm located in? Pune. Expansion of RDBMS is Relation Database Management System. Programs stored in a ROM are called firmware. Which one is the following is an MS-DOS external command format? Which one of the following allows computer to transfer data using a telephone line, modem? The process of writing on an optical disc is called burning. Which of the following is not a second storage unit? RAM. Booting the system means loading the operating system. In window, icons sub as add, remove, program, add new hardware, modem, act are found in control panel. DVD is digital variety disc. Find the odd mean out. Excel. Speed of processor chip is measured in mH. Pick the odd one out. ROM. Which among the following stand protocols is the most widely used by the internet? TCP/IP. What type of information system would be recognized by digital circuit? Binary system. Which of the following is an impact printer? Desio heel printer. The first computer mouse was developed by Dialogues Albert. What is USB? Universal Serial Bus. Who is the founder of Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. In programming reporting, some systematics is used called looping. Which of the following is not an operating system? Multi-user and single-user tasking.
Subscribe the channel and press bell icon.